ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in a genuinely huge manner. ETH in every way that really matters faces obstruction at $1,364.37, or so they explicitly thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum generally is floating at $3,849,461,261, which really is very critical. EMA in a real sense is right now at $1,421.10, or so they basically thought. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly basically clarified some pressing issues. What essentially is by and large momentary cost expectation for Ethereum. For the most part is ETH a truly wise interest in an especially significant manner. Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on in a kind of significant manner. In any case, prior to plunging sort of profound into the ETH specialized examination, sort of allowed us essentially to discuss the very current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,221,112,304,788, which especially is very huge. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $22,757,277,610, which certainly is very huge. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%, or so they most certainly thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time period, which explicitly shows that the EMA most certainly is at present at $1,421.10, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere near 1.1 and at present exchanging at 46 cents, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52, following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time period, which for the most part shows that the EMA certainly is as of now at $1,421.10, which generally is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. Fundamentally further appearance how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,122,112,304,788, or so they sort of thought. These occasions really show that the market sort of is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for certainly momentary in a quite large manner. Right now, a kind of broad, quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers certainly become considerably more truly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exceptionally further appearance how the really complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $22,757,277,610, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which dealers truly move truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense shows that ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in a quite huge manner. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum essentially is at $1,813.92, up 0.12% in the for the most part beyond 24 hours and fundamentally has a value change of 0.79% over the course of the week, which by and large is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 3,849,461,261.00 US dollars, while in every practical sense, complete market cap came to 218,159,618,739 USD, which fundamentally shows that Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they especially thought. There especially are just about 120,269,409 basically are available for use out of 120,269,409. Or so they especially thought. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Examination for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a sort of day-to-day time span really made sense of underneath in a genuinely enormous manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength index, moving exceptionally normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely basic moving especially normal and remarkable moving kind of normal to in a real sense dissect the future development of the Ethereum, showing how these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a truly descending bearing for commonly present moment, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The MACD line explicitly is remaining above of the especially signal line after a by and large certain hybrid, which in every practical sense shows that Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in a very enormous manner. Ethereum financial backers need to by and large hang tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day diagram, which for the most part shows that the sort of all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $22,757,277,610 in an exceptionally significant manner. RSI inferring union stage while exchanging at 42 and explicitly is attempting to fundamentally break out of the impartiality zone. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum basically is floating at $3,849,461,261. Beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. While ETH's Williams %R marker essentially is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. An exchange commonly signal by and large is for the most part conceivable at this reach. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. Sort of additional appearance how market examination over the very last 24 hours. There explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $1,122,112,304,788 in a kind of significant manner. Ends from the specialized examination. The kind of in general pattern of the Ethereum explicitly is as yet negative, notwithstanding. The value activity could essentially shows an endeavor a bullish really inversion with its bullish immersing candle design. Further appearance how we use in every practical sense. Relative strength index, moving fundamentally normal combination and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving especially normal and remarkable moving sort of normal to sort of dissect the future development of the Ethereum, exhibiting how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market truly is going in a descending course for in every way that really matters, present moment, or so they for the most part thought. Consequently, in the event that ETH figures out how to especially remain above $1,220.75, it can truly give a